Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss that how can you solve that if the Valorant game is not working in your PC. So one of the most common reasons for this issue that the game is not working is an issue with the display adapter drivers. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you update the display adapter drivers. So for this, what you need to do is right click on this Windows icon on the taskbar and go to Device Manager. Once in the device manager, you can expand it and you can search for display adapters. So once you get those display adapters, just expand it and you will get a list of all the display adapters or the graphic cards that are actually there in your PC. In my case, it's just the one. So once you find all of them, then this step you need to replicate for all of those graphics card or the display adapters. So you can just right click on update driver. Here search automatically for drivers, and once it searches and it gives you the message the best drivers of the device are already installed, then you are good to go. Otherwise, Windows will recommend some of the drivers and install it automatically for you. Once this is done, restart your PC and your issue with the Valorant game should have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.